Fight me, pero Kuya Jay serves one of the best beef calderetas. Well, according lang naman sa family ko, kaya nasa Kuya Jay's kami ngayon kasi we crave for it. Sakto, may mga bago silang dishes.
So ayan, on a Sunday, dito na kami kumain. And in fairness naman dito sa branch nila sa Festival Mall, ang ganda ng interiors. Very homey. And instead of ordering our usuals, well, except for the caldereta, tinry namin tong mga bago nila. So ito yung kanilang Cebu-style grilled chicken. And sa table nila mismo, iko-cut yung chicken nyo. As in, Pinoy barbecue siya, on the sweeter side, lalo na with the Pinoy barbecue sauce, na may slightly smoky. And in fairness, perfectly cooked and tender yung mismong manok. Dito ako na-excited sa kanilang lumpia balls. In fairness, meron na rin sila nito dito and ang sarap niya. So it's basically your lumpia talaga, pero with the additional crispy component coming from the shredded lumpia wrapper. Ang sarap niya with the sweet and spicy sauce. Love the chorizo dynamites as well. In fairness, lasang-lasa mo yung spices from the chorizo and may heat talaga siya. Na of course, nababalance naman ng cheese. Hindi talaga pwedeng hindi kami kakain dito without ordering their beef caldereta. I mean tender beef, good balance of acidic and sweetness, and syempre we paired everything with their garlic rice, and of course you got to have their pancit. For dessert, basta may kakanin, orderin namin yan. It's their trio kakanin and masarap siya. For me lang though, pang isang tao lang to. Lalo na kung mahilig kayo sa kakanin, magtigisa na lang kayo para di kayo mag-away-away. Yung bahan nila though, may konting weird texture siya, pero I love that it's very cheesy. Sa next gala nyo with the fam, mag-try naman kayo ng something new. Like us, no regrets dahil na-enjoy namin yung food. Enjoy!